Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chairman ga Indian Oil Srikant Madhev Vidya Hane kasngi ula Plie ya Jingïalehkai penbernia na ke Bynta ki Koidi ki basya set hapo ke Shillong District Jail. Ha ke Jingidon lang Inspector General of Prison uba M Kharkrang IPS but Executive Director and State Head Sri G Ramesh. Ki Jingïalehkai Bapher kindon ki bakentup ya ke basketball ke Jingïalehkai koram but kiwei.
You made it in the very first try. We are aligning towards our CSR initiative. There we see the volleyball being handed over. The match starts between the two team sides. We now
1200 साथियों के साथ अब तक हुआ है जिन्हें मिल रहा है जीने का एक नया आया परिवर्तन कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से मिल रहा है बेहतरीन और उत्कृष्ट खेल प्रशिक्षकों द्वारा इंडोर एवं आउटडोर खेलों का प्रशिक्षण परिवर्तन की धारा आज भारत के विभिन्न राज्यों के शहरों बेंगलुरु.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And Chairman of Indian Oil, sir, all the executive directors and Executive Director Mr. Ramesh, who is here with me. I think I feel that there's no other better way of sending a message to the inmates in the various prisons of India that they are not the unwanted section of society. That society still remembers them, that they are still part of the society. This is a very clear message being sent to them, and for this we owe to Indian Oil. We hope that we continue this partnership with us, and in fact we'll be offering Indian Oil 2 sites to put up a retail outlet, and thank you for partnering with us in transforming these lives. Thank you very much, and may Indian Oil continue to prosper. Thank you.